This video, we will show you how to playing Hamster Kombat game. Hamster Kombat game is a clicker game genre based on Telegram application. Hamster Kombat game is very viral. You can see on their account, they have more than 30 million subscribers. What makes this Hamster Kombat game is very viral? In their announcement, they promise to release airdrop. The airdrop is token that you can convert into the money. This is free, so it's not mistake if you just want to try this game. To get the free coin, you can register the Hamster Kombat game via our link on pinned comment. Just go to that link. To play this game, it's very easy. We will show you how to play this game to get the coin and how the rule for this game for increasing our airdrop later based on their announcement. Okay, you can see here, this is the main interface of the Hamster Kombat game. To get the coin on here, you can just click this hamster icon. You can see, but you need to focus on profit per hour based on their announcement. This is will use as a airdrop. Okay, how to increase the profit per hour here? You can go to the mine. The mine tab is the most important. To increase the profit per hour here, you need just to upgrade and unlock the listing here. You can see there are market, PRN team, legal, and special. For each step, there are different items. For example, let's just try one. You can see our profit per hour is this, and I want to upgrade my support team. And you can see after I upgrade my support team, my profit per hour is changed and higher. You can also get the daily combo to get the coin because the coin is used to upgrade or to unlock the listing here. Okay, for example, to get the coin, you can also refer a friend or earn on the here. You can see there are daily rewards that you can click for each day. Okay, and you can connect the airdrop letter in here. And of course, in here, the most important that you need to increase profit per hour here. And we hope this is not scam. If this scam letter, we just need to let it go. Okay, you can also have the secret code when you click the exchange here and click this 3 times. After you click this 3 times, you can see there are daily cheaper that you can get. Okay, for daily cheaper and how you can also get the daily combo, we will upload into the next video. Hope this video helpful for you.